How to get NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV in 2025. Here is how to get the NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV and start streaming live NFL games instantly. First, open your browser and go to tv.youtube.com. In the top right-hand corner, click on the checkout icon, then select NFL Sunday Ticket. Choose whether you want Sunday Ticket with RedZone or just the basic Sunday Ticket package. Select your preferred option. The system will automatically add the base plan along with NFL Sunday Ticket. Click Next, then scroll down and confirm your selection of the base plan and NFL Sunday Ticket. Choose between monthly payments or a one-time payment. Click Next. Sometimes, exclusive discounts are available. Review the terms on the left side. If you scroll down, you'll see an option to add 4K+, which gives you unlimited streams at home and 4K content access. If you don't need this, simply proceed by selecting Next. At checkout, review your final billing details, and when you're ready, select Start Membership. Now, you're set to watch NFL games live, anywhere, anytime on YouTube TV.